Dear friends, yesterday we have seen the analytical treatment of stationary waves, in which we have seen the closed end pipe or string fixed at other end. In that lecture we have derived these three equations, and we use these three equations for the study the changes with respect to position and changes with respect to time. So firstly we see the changes with respect to position. So for that purpose we take the sin twice pi x by lambda is equal to 0 and cos twice pi x by lambda is equal to 1. We take. So in that case the displacement and velocity are 0, but strain is greater than at the other points. You see, this sin is 0, twice pi x by lambda is 0, and so this is equal to velocity is 0, this displacement is also 0, but here is not sin, so this is equal to 1, so strain is always maximum. So these points are displacement nodes. They occur at places where this twice pi x by lambda is equal to m pi, where m is the integer 0, 1, 2, 3. So we are putting this, we get x is equal to m lambda upon 2, or you put this m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, we get these values, that is 0 lambda by 2, 2 lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2. These points are called as nodal points or nodes, and these nodes are separated by lambda by 2 distance, that is u minus 0 through lambda by 2 we get lambda by 2, 2 lambda by 2 upon 2 minus lambda by 2 is lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2 minus 2 lambda by 2 we get lambda by 2 again. So the node distance between two nodes, two adjacent nodes is equal to lambda by 2. So this is first node we get, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and distance between these two nodes is lambda by 2. At positions, now we consider at positions, here we correct this is x twice pi x by lambda, twice pi x by lambda. So now we consider at positions where twice pi x by lambda is equal to 1 and cos twice pi x by lambda is equal to 0. So what we find here, you go to first equation, these three equations, as sin twice pi x by lambda is equal to 1, this is equal to 1 and this is equal to, so strain is 0, velocity is maximum, displacement is also maximum. So we find strain is 0 and these are displacement nodes. You see, this is equal to 0 and this is maximum. So velocity and displacement is maximum and strain is 0 at these points. So these points occurs at places twice pi x by lambda is equal to 2m plus 1 pi by 2 and m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. We solving this equation, you get x is equal to m lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4. So putting m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, we get lambda by 4, 3 lambda by 4, 5 lambda by 4. Such points are separated by distance lambda by 2. These points are called the antinodes. Antinodes, and first antinode is obtained from interface at a distance lambda by 4. You can see this equation. This is first node, this is lambda by 2 distance, but this antinode from the interface obtained, the antinode is obtained first antinode is obtained at a distance lambda by 4. At a distance lambda by 4 from the first. So distance between node and antinode is equal to lambda by 4, and distance between two antinodes is equal to lambda by 2. Now we consider the changes with respect to time. At time we consider time where sine twice by Vt by lambda is equal to 0 and cos twice by Vt by lambda is equal to 1. So we go to first equations, these equations. Sine twice by Vt is equal to 0 and cos twice by Vt is equal to 1. So what happens, this velocity is 0 here, and displacement and strain are maximum. Velocity is 0 and displacement and strains are maximum. So we get to our point, where we find that the displacement y and strain are maximum than other times, but the velocity is 0. The particles are passing through, velocity is 0, particles are passing through the extreme position where the velocity is 0 everywhere and stationary for the instant. Velocity is 0, point is stationary. To obtain such a point, twice pi t upon t is equal to m pi. So solving this we get t is equal to m into t by 2, or m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, you get 0 t by 2 t 3 t by 2. Such a points occur twice in each period. Twice in each period. So this at time when we take now, this is sine twice by Vt by lambda is equal to 1 and cos twice by Vt by lambda is equal to 0, and we put this value in the initial equations. At starting equations we find that displacement and strains are everywhere 0 while velocity of the particle is maximum, that is particle is passing through the normal or mean positions. Such a times are obtained by putting twice pi t by t is equal to 2m plus 1 upon pi by 2. Solving this equation we get t is equal to m t upon 2 plus t by 2. So or t upon, sorry, maybe here 4. This is 4. Okay, sorry. Sorry, you consider here 4 here. Go ahead. Sorry, you consider here 1 4. So this is equal to t by 4, putting the values of m, 3t by 4, 5t by 4. These conditions will also repeat it twice in each periodic time, but t by 4 later than these reached in case 3. This is the case 3 actually, 4. This is the case, you see, 3 above. Okay, sorry. And thank you. Thank you. We stop here. Tomorrow we start the next article. Okay. And